Hi, I'm Marjory Wildcraft. I'm founder of the Grow Network and author of the book, The Grow System, the essential guide to modern self-sufficient living from growing food to making medicine. And with me today to teach you a little bit about modern self-reliance is...
I'm Dr. Michelle Jorgensen, founder of Living Well with Dr. Michelle, and I've written a book called Be Prepared, Not Scared, and I'm really excited to share some of the things from this book with you.
Hey everybody, here we are with another wonderful plant in Dr. Michelle's emergency herbal medicine garden, and this is a new one to me. Tell me all about this one. It smells amazing.
It smells so good. This one's called Artemisia Annua, or Sweet Annie is another word. It's an annual wormwood. You may have heard of wormwood for an anti-parasitic medication. Well, this one has been used to treat malaria for years. But the interesting thing right now is it's very good at inhibiting the binding of spike proteins. You may have heard that term recently. It's something that occurs in viruses, and a tea made of the leaves from this is very good to protect yourself from infections that are going around right now.
So wow, so you would just use this probably dried and or fresh. You could just make a tea out of it either way.
Yep.
And then a classic dosage for this kind of thing is like a tablespoon of the material and a cup of tea and a cup of water.
When I'm using it fresh like this, I'll get a pretty good handful in a 4-cup container, cover it with the hot water, and drink a couple cups a day of that when I'm really wanting to stay strong and have my immune system be up.
Wow. Wow, super useful plant. What's that name again? I've got to learn to know this one.
Artemisia Annua, because it's an annual Artemisia, or Sweet Annie.
And it does smell great.
It smells amazing. Yep.
So another wonderful plant for your emergency herb garden medicine chest.